So why are your saved contacts showing up as just numbers on your Android phone? Let me show you how you can fix it. It's a very common thing. So let's get started. Subscribe if you're new and we can get into it. So of course, when I go to my contacts, I have all of them stored in here, all of the names and everything. So it's fine. But it might happen that in some other apps, they don't show up as their the names, but just numbers. And that is very likely caused by the permissions for that particular app. A great example is WhatsApp, right? A lot of people use it and you can access the contacts in there and, connect everything. But when I go to the settings like this, and part of the main menu, if I scroll down and find apps right here, from those, I can go directly to the bottom so I can find WhatsApp here. And part of that, I need to manage the permissions. And if I go in here, you can see that the WhatsApp application literally doesn't have any permissions in place. So what I need to do is to make sure that the WhatsApp application can actually connect and access my contacts, right? So I'm going to click on contact permissions and click on allow, which is going to mean that the WhatsApp, whenever it sees like a message from a number, it will be able to attach that saved number to a saved person. So that's something which you are probably looking to get, right? That is how you can fix it specifically for WhatsApp. But even some other apps, like if you're using a different phone client, so as you can see, I can literally tap on the phone app right here. And the same thing applies to this. So if I go to the permissions, you can see that it can, in fact, access the call logs, camera, and contacts. But if I revoked the permission and access from the phone app to contacts, you would as well just see the phone numbers without any name attached to them. So you just want to make sure that whichever phone client you're using, you want to make sure it has access to the contacts like this, and therefore it should work fine. So I hope that I was able to explain it. If you have some thoughts and opinions about it, let me know below, and I'm going to wrap it up. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.